Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the fruit firmness. As you know that we are performing here practicals regarding the maturity of the fruit, and these practical are about the maturity indices which tell us whether the fruit is mature enough to be harvested or not. So today we will discuss about the fruit firmness, which is another maturity indices of various fruits. So equipment used for this practical is penetrometer. This is penetrometer, and you can use manual penetrometer, or if you have soft fruits like grapes or strawberry, you can use as the computerized or digital penetrometer that can perform better for those fruits. So in this penetrometer, it has certain parts. This is dial that tells the exact reading of pressure, and these are the knobs, and these knobs can be of variable size. You can see that these can be of variable size. You can use different knobs. It can be removed from here, and it can be again tighten on the same point. So now the fruit that is going to be used for today's practical is peach. As we have the season of peach, we are going to use peach as the specimen for this experiment. So what happens that with maturity, the fruit gets softened and the firmness of the fruit is decreased. So there are certain standards of firmness for each and every fruit. This reading of the penetrometer is either in pound or in kilograms. You can use both. While in international standards, you are using Newton, that can be calculated through different formula. So for peach, the firmness should be 10 or less than 10 pounds per square inch, or to be harvested. Now we'll check that whether the fruit is mature enough or not to be harvested. So first of all, what we'll do that we will peel the fruit from a side with the help of a potato peeler or some other equipment that can be used for this purpose. Just peel it. And now we'll insert the knob, and you will see that this needle will move alongside the higher readings. You will see that. Now you will put this knob up till that mark, that girdled mark. Yes. And now you will find the reading, which is exactly 10 kg per square inch. To reset the equipment, you will push a button that is given on the side of the equipment, and that will be reset again. Now what happens? Now what happens that you will have to take the reading exactly from the opposite side as well, because sometimes it happens that the fruit side that is facing sun gets mature earlier as compared to the side that is opposite to the sun. So we'll have to take average to tell that whether the firmness of the fruit is according to you or correct or not. So now we'll take the same reading from the other side. And you can see that it is less than from that side. Now we'll take average of both sides, and that will give us the exact reading of fruit firmness for this specific specimen.